Making a project on the Indian general election, and for that we have created tables on the SQL. And after making table into the SQLs, we will import a lot of data into these tables, and then we will connect this MySQL to the Power BI, and will do analysis on Indian general Lok Sabha election. So basically, we have created a database here, that is Indian general election, and under that database we have created many tables. The first tables we have created is constituency wise details, and then we have a constituency wise result, and after that we have created a party wise result, state table, and state wise result tables. So these are the few tables that we have created, and that will be later used in our project, that is when we will be analyzing and making this dashboard on Indian general election. So this was the first steps. Now the second step would be to import data in all these tables. Basically, we can't perform insert here because the data is too large, the data is too heavy. So what we will do is just that we will import data into these tables, and we will also see that how do we import data into these tables. For that we have to write the query, and that is little complex, so we'll see in the next video. As of now, only make these tables, so use this query to make the tables, then we'll use other query to load data into these tables. Okay, so that's all, and thank you.
का छुटका दिन बाद याद किया अगली घरे का हम तो घर से कब्जे लिए वापस तो